In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy, move, and delete comments in Word. Working with comments in Microsoft Word is a great way to collaborate, but editing them can be surprisingly tricky. Word doesn't have obvious copy or move buttons for comments, but today I'm going to show you the hidden keyboard shortcuts and clean workflows to copy, move, and permanently delete comments in seconds. Firstly, let's take a look at how to copy a comment. There are actually two ways to do this. If you just want to copy the text inside a comment card, simply click inside the bubble, highlight the words like this, and then press Ctrl C. Then highlight your new comment, document text, click the new comment in the review tab, and press Ctrl V to paste it. I just chose this text, a new comment, and then Ctrl. And for the second example, as you guys could see, that works as well. But what if you want to copy the comment and the text that is attached to it? Simply highlight the entire flagged sentence or paragraph in your main document. Let me choose this one. Press Ctrl C to copy it, click where you want it to go, let's just say in the bottom here, and then press Ctrl V. Word will instantly paste the text and automatically duplicate the attached comment card right next to it. Moving a comment uses a very similar trick. If you want to move both the comment and its anchor text to a different part of your document, you don't need to rewrite anything. Highlight the sentence or paragraph that the comment is linked to, press Ctrl X like this, and to cut it, and then the text in the comments will vanish. Now, move your cursor to the new location, and once again, let me just do some spaces, press Ctrl V like this. And finally, let's talk about the cleanup. When you're ready to get rid of comments, you can do it individually or wipe them all out at once. To remove a single comment, simply right-click directly on the comment card and delete it. Or just press the three dots here and delete the thread. To clear your entire documents in one go, head up to the Review tab, find the Comments section, then choose Delete drop down here. Delete all comments in the document, and bingo, they all vanish instantly. That is how to copy, move, and delete comments in Word. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and make sure to check out our other tutorials.